Hi parents, in MathKampus, we are going to have a special session, a free workshop session to discuss CBSE NCERT portions for class 6, 7, 8, 9 students on the various topics that's going to be useful for their cycle test or for the upcoming periodic test. So the topics would be such as polynomials for class 9. For class 8, it is going to be squares and square roots and understanding quadrilaters. For class 7, it will be integers. And for class 6, it's playing with number system. It's a completely online session, and we will discuss only the case studies, HOTS based questions, assertion and reasoning questions. Anybody can attend. It is open for all CBC students across all schools. For further details, call us to this number and register for the seats. Please note, it's only a very limited seats available. Hurry up. Thank you.